Yo, I'm still here in Maui and I've got some handles to install. These are privacy handles. They're from Schlage. I love Schlage. See how the paddle handle is? And these are privacy, meaning they're for bathrooms. See right here, you look on there, that says privacy lock. And see, here's a master bedroom. Instead of a keyed lock, you push the button in and it's supposed to work. Well, these are about 10 years old. This one's not working. Let's check this one here. Press the button in, and see, this one's working. So we're not going to replace that. There's 3 of them in here that are bad. These 2 are bad too. Okay, and see how worn they are too? That's not the reason why it's not working. It's just over time. See, I pushed it in, and it's not wanting to lock. I'll also do that over here. Push it in, and it still doesn't lock. Just over time, they wear out, okay? They are a good handle. See how nice they are? It's a paddle handle that goes like that. You can face them upside down too if you want, but this is the proper direction to have them like this. And nowadays, years ago, they used to hand these, and you'd have to buy right hand and left hand. Okay? Nowadays, they're interchangeable, they're reversible. So one package will do it all for 2 3/8 back set, 2 3/4 inch back set, and a right hand swing and a left hand swing door. If you want to learn how to put those in, take out the old ones and put in the new ones, this video is for you. Well, that's all I got for this time. I'll see you on the next video. It's time to install some door handles.